How to use a Linktree step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Linktree. So let's get into it. Now, Linktree is a simple solution for you to link all of your e-commerce or social media platform or all of your links and referrals in one specific place. And this enables you to add a customized and more gorgeous looking brand compatible link to all of your social media bios so people can access all of your content or referrals from one singular link, because in your Instagram bio or your Twitter handle or your Twitter bio or description or even on your TikTok bio, you can't add, a bunch of different links. So instead, you can use Linktree to summarize all your links in one place, and then you can just simply link that one link over in your bios and then have people, access the rest of your content from there. So to get started with Linktree, all you need to do is go on to linktr.ee, and then you're just going to click on sign up for free over here. Once you click on sign up for free, you're going to begin setting up your account. So you're simply going to choose the username that you want for your account. So if you are making a Linktree account for your personal account, so you can enter your own name. If you're making this for a business, you can enter the business name. So let's say you want to create a Linktree for your business that sells, multiple different types of products. So let's say you have an e-commerce business, then you can enter the name of your business. So for me, I'm going to say that I am going to continue with a personal account. So I will just enter my name over here, and it has to be a unique name. You cannot use the same username as someone else. And then after that, you just have to input your email address. So once you have input both of these things, you're going to click on create account, and then you're just going to enter a suitable password for your account. So once you've entered a suitable password for your account will be created. It only takes a couple of seconds for your registration to be completed. Then after that, you can begin customizing your account. So first off, we're going to enter our name, and then you're going to click on continue. Then you can choose what kind of Linktree you're going to be using. So this will generally just affect the theme of your Linktree. Let's say this is going to be focusing on fashion and beauty and clothing and accessories. This is totally optional, the second one, but the first one you do have to select. Now we're just going to click on continue. Now they're going to ask you what kind of plan do you want. Now, the best part about Linktree is that they have a free version where you can add unlimited amount of links and link applications. Plus, you can also view the clicks and views for the past 28 days, so almost a month. And you can also collect payments, tips, and donations. And there is a 0% transactional fees for a limited amount of time. So if you go long term, then they will cut some transactional fees as well. Then you have the starter version starting at $5 per month, where you also have customizable themes, 0 transactional fees, and spotlight and scheduling and animating links as well. Then they have the pro version starting at $9 per month, where you have a lifetime of analytics and insights. And you also have embedding YouTube videos or tweets to your latest link. So whatever is the latest YouTube video that you upload or tweet that you do, you can embed that as well. You also have integrations with email marketing campaigns like MailChimp and Google Analytics. Plus, you also can collect emails and phone numbers. Then you also have the premium version starting at $24 per month, where you have success managers. They can export your lifetime data for your Linktree. You have a response time of less than 4 hours, so if you're facing any issue with Linktree, you can get resolved within 4 hours. Now we're just going to continue with the free version, and once you click on that, you're going to click on continue to my Linktree. And I would recommend that you just verify your account from your email over here. And once you have verified your account, that is it. So we're just going to sign in to continue. And just like that, now I have verified my Linktree account as well. Now you can see this is the appearance of my Linktree account on the right side of my screen. From here, you're going to begin adding your links. So first off, you can click on add new link, and you can simply enter the title and URL, or you can click on explore over here. And you can choose one of the popular formats of sharing your content or your links. So let's say that you want to link your GoFundMe, so you can choose GoFundMe over here, and then you can just enter the GoFundMe account that you have, so on and so forth. Then let's say that if you want to go to the Explore section and you want to maybe link something like your Spotify account or your favorite songs or whatever it might be, you can add that over here. Plus, you can also add simple headers to organize the links that you have. So this could be my business links, or this could be recommended products. So let's say you do recommendations or something like that, you can enter recommended products, and now I can enter the title of this. So let's say I found basic t-shirt. So whatever item it might be, whatever kind of item that you want to display, you can enter that over here, and then you will enter the URL. So for that, we're just going to copy the URL that we want to add. So I will go on Amazon over here and I will simply search for t-shirts, and I'm just going to link this link over here. So I'm just going to click on copy. So I'm just going to click on copy, and then I will click on the URL section and click on paste over here. And just like that, I've pasted my link. So now you can see over here, I've added a simple link to this specific little heading, and now you can see what it's going to look like. The title is what's going to appear on the screen of your link tree, and then you will have the link at the bottom. You also have redirection options. You can add thumbnails, you can prioritize certain links, and schedule a link for a certain amount of time so it can expire after a certain time. Now after that, you can click on add new link and add, your basic link, such as your Twitter maybe. So I'm just going to title it Twitter, and I'm just going to go to my Twitter profile and copy and paste my link from there. And I will simply copy from here, and I will go back into my link tree and I will enter my URL. And once you link a popular website like Twitter, they will actually show you if you want to turn off Twitter website, if you want to link off to the Twitter website, or just want a basic link, so we want to directly link to Twitter, that is it, so on and so forth. So in this way, you're going to add your links. Now, after you have added your links, you can click on appearance on the top left over here. And from here, you're actually going to customize the look of your link tree as well. So you can pick a image for your profile picture. I can click on pick an image, and I can design with Canva, use an NFT, or upload my own image as well. So you have quite a few different options. You can click on my devices, Google Drive, Instagram, or Facebook, wherever you might want to upload from. And you can just upload any kind of image. I am just going to continue with this simple one. Then below that, you have your bio. So in your bio, you want to enter whatever information that is, key or essential, or whatever kind of links you are linking, any of that. So let's say I want to add know my style and the products that I recommend. So just like that, I've added a simple bio, and this is how it's going to appear over here. Below that, you have different themes, so you can choose any of these themes. Some of these are only available on the premium version, and then you have some basic themes that you can use. So let's say I just want to use the iris theme over here, so I can just select the iris theme, and then there are other themes as well. If you want a more simple theme, so let's say we want a simple Noir theme or a mineral yellow theme, depending on the type of business or establishment that you have. Below that, you have backgrounds, you have fill, how you want, your links to be appearing, the color of how you want everything to appear, and the different fonts that you can choose from. After that, you have your analytics. So in your analytics, you'll be able to view what links people are clicking on, the views, clicks, and CTR, and revenue and subscribers you're getting. Then you have your basic settings where you can just, upgrade your mail integrations, add support banners, add social integrations as well, and optimize your SEO. Now, if I click on my link tree over here, this is what it's looking like, and now I can enter this on all of my social media platforms. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.